Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, the other drop is 335, by the way.
I just went straight through the... You didn't see that, did you?
I did not. I think I missed
I
it.
went straight through the map. Like, my car went under the map.
Sorry, sir. My 8 though.
Yeah.
I will save this compensator for you, just in case you get your MK.
Oh, I got a comp already. Thank you. Why are you... Okay. Oh, there's people at this one. People at this one.
People on the way.
Yeah. A-dub. Take it. You got this. Go over
Watch
there.
out!
They haven't seen me yet.
All right, I'm on the way. Getting on my car now.
No, they're running away. They've got a car. I'm gonna chase them.
All right. I'm right
Oh shit,
behind.
they're coming toward me.
Oh, they're coming.
Yep, on the road. You see that?
I hit the fucking window.
Headshot on one of them. Shit, I'm out of ammo.
Did they get out?
Not yet.
Yeah, no, they got
I'm
out.
out
They
of
got
ammo. I'm out of ammo. No heals. Nothing.
I
It's a
knocked
full
one.
squad.
Yeah, I
It's
knocked
a
one.
full
I knocked
squad.
one.
I don't have any heals, dude. Do you have any smokes?
I don't. They're smoking it right now.
I've got grenades. I'm gonna start throwing them.
I'm gonna get in this house real quick. Yeah, they're currently resing him. I'm gonna
I
use this
figured.
one to boost up.
Dude, I don't have any heals. I don't have any smokes. I don't have any ammo.
Fuck. You're just gonna have to stay behind your car for now. Then
Dude, I'm gonna die. There's no way.
you're fine.
Oh!
Body shot. Low.
Alright, I'm gonna take this opportunity.
Body shot.
No! I was about to put up the riot shield too. Buddha, do you have any smokes?
No, I do not. 1 second. I do have a riot shield for you though.
Yeah, put that up. No, don't. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. I didn't think you'd be able to get that. What are they shooting at?
I have no clue. This is the best I got for you, sir.
I'll take it, dude. Wait, can you blow up their car?
1 second.
Oh, Buddha. That was a
Nice.
headshot? That's 2 knocked. One's rotating.
Body shot. Low.
Is that the last one?
Knocked.
Last one then? Where is he?
Yeah, I'm out of ammo, bro, and I'm low as hell.
I'm out of ammo too. I've got 10 shots.
There's 3 knocks, bro. We gotta clean this up.
I just picked up that AR that I didn't take. Oh, we're gonna do this. Oh, dude, blow up the car,
Watch out!
What's with that smoke? Oh shit, I'm out of ammo again.
I'll keep an eye out. You try to get more bullets.
Bro, what the hell? Literally no bullets of any kind. There's a few 9s in here. I guess I can make do with that.
This dude is swimming away, bro.
Cracked?
Yeah, his other friends are running too.
Knocked him? Oh, you knocked him.
Oh, one of them also has a sniper as well, but it sounds like an M24. I shot the dude in
Oh!
the car. He's
He
gonna be knocked.
M24'd me, dude. I'm down. I'm
All
down.
right, all right, all right.
I think we have to retreat. I've got 13 bullets left, and they're all
We got
nines.
one knocked, one low in the field, and I don't know where the M24 dude is.
Yeah, no, we gotta retreat. There's no bullets. There's nothing.
We haven't checked that dead body.
Oh,
though.
they're rushing us. They're rushing us
What?
Watch
on this
out.
side.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I think we're dead.
I'm down for a good fight.
This isn't gonna be a good fight. I've got 13 bullets.
I have. Wait. 10 more A-dub rounds left.
You want to get that A-dub hip fire in?
I'm actually gonna see what's up with this box. If I die,
Yeah,
I
if
die.
you can get anything from that box.
You got fives, right? Or a
I
five
don't
gun?
have. I've got a 5 gun. I don't have any 5s.
All right.
Oh, they're in a car. They're coming toward us.
Get in, get in, get in.
Get in. In
The
what?
house.
Did you get bullets?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to give you, dummy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Heals? Anything? Anything else?
Heal here.
They're coming. They're here.
I think they're driving away.
Are they seriously driving away?
Wait.
No, I can still
No,
hear
they
the
just
car.
got out.
Marked a location.
I'm rotating.
Ignore those marks.
They should be like 85.
Yeah.
Watch out.
There's one over there. He knows I'm here. You can probably get a nice flank if you actually know never mind.
Alright,
It's easy
that's
to.
what I'm trying to do. Keep it cool, Boba.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
I'm
Miss
getting
me,
around.
buddy.
Stay alive, stay alive.
Oh, zone.
I think they saw me.
Why now?
One saw me, I think. No, he's getting in the car.
Yeah, he's coming toward me.
Headshot, knock.
Pushing.
He got out, his friend.
Can you mark him?
He's in the car. I think he's gonna
Which?
drive away.
I don't see the car.
No, he's driving away, but he's driving away.
Alright, where's the guy that you knocked? Need to get
Alright,
some
bro,
stuff off of him.
I just need heals and sevens. Anything else you can have.
Get fucked. Don't have any smokes.
That's fine. I don't really care. Oh, 7. Oh, this was the M24, dude. Cracked.
Nice.
You want to take that? I got a 6X.
Take what?
The M24.
Oh, bet.
Here.
Thank you. Oh, I already had a 6X.
Oh, fine. You can just leave it then. We gotta start looting.